Hey guys, this is a quick video that I thought I should make. A video that I didn't know I had to make, and I don't want to make this video, but I just gotta keep you guys updated with this car. It is up on jacks again. If you guys been following the build, you know I've spent so much money, time, and the ownership of my time with this car has been a year. Been trying to make it mechanically A1. When I bought the car, took it down to the shop, Uncle Peyton, and yeah, he saw a lot of issues with the car. For example, if you guys remember, at the back left, the upper arm was missing a bolt, or it was like the lower arm, I can't remember. Even that was a risk of driving, and there's a whole bunch of other stuff to the car. But from that point on, I thought that was it. I thought from there on, the car is gonna be reliable, it's gonna be all good. Boy, was I wrong. From that point on, a lot more has happened. There were a few problems that we faced through, even like a life-threatening one where the spindle actually failed on me because of the rack spacers. It just came off, and luckily I wasn't driving in a highway, but I was actually parking the car, which is lucky. I'm grateful the car took me three drift events, but yeah. Anyways, besides all of that, it's been a year, and we're sitting here, and I want to let you guys know, right now the car is on jacks again because it's currently got a bottom end knock. So after all that effort, I end up with a bottom end knock, and now we're here. It's been 3 weeks, the car is up on the air. I posted a Instagram story last night saying expression of interest for sale, because it's either I sell as is with the issue, obviously let the person know, or this is the whole rabbit hole that, you know, it's just been on my mind. I got a lot on my mind right now. I'm hoping this is all one take. I hope it's gonna be 5 minutes. I got 2 more minutes until it's 5, but basically it's knocking from the bottom end. We took off the sump, we shook the end caps, which is where we're trying to seek if that issue was there.
Oh yeah, that was not maybe at all.
The first thing that I saw was a lot of play from the crank pulley. So that got us to investigate what's going on the bottom end, and we were hoping that wasn't the case, but it was the case. All 5 shook. It had some play. And yeah, Vegeta came by to check this all out for me. And you know, he was just saying things that I just didn't want to hear, because at this rate, I'm just so over this car. I'm just so over it because I spent so much money where I could have spent that money on the chaser. I haven't touched a chaser for a long time. It needs a lot of maintenance, clutch, and yeah, I'm just thinking, man, you know what, should I just screw it and just learn how to drift in a chaser, or should we go into this trouble and find a new motor? Or the first option was to slot in the end caps. Basically, on the bottom of the rod, you can replace the end caps, and that way it should sort out the knocking. But for longevity's sake, we don't know how long that's going to last for. We don't know if that's a reliable option. It could last another year, it could last another 10, as what I was told. But for my purpose of this car, to take it out to drifting, I don't see that lasting long unless I'm only daily driving it. But yeah, I've been looking at engines, they range around 250. I got quoted 250 for one motor, and it ranges between to like $2,000 or something, right? That motor that was 250, cheap. But the thing is, it will need a rebuild because the motor is older and it's 390,000 kilometers. We just reached 300k on this. This is not a blown motor yet. Do I dismantle, get a rebuilt, or find another motor that's a lot more younger, around 100k, or I don't know, do I sell the car as is? If you guys are interested, hit me up, because yeah, I'm willing to let this go for pretty cheap. But yeah, I'm at a big loss with the BADLUCK 200 is what I'll call it. Yes, a 1JZ swap is on my mind. Yes, the Beams 3SGE swap is on my mind. But the cheapest option is obviously a 1GFE. It's probably going to be more financially smarter. But the thing is, why is a Beams engine similar price to a 1JZ? Like a 1JZ is like 5 grand, 5 to 6 grand, no gearbox, and the Beams cost around the same. I don't know, make that make sense. But if the Beams motor was cheaper, I'd probably go down that road. But to sort this out real quick, 1GFE. Yeah, so sorry to blab on. I hope to be as quick as possible, but I just want to let you guys know what's happening with this car. And yeah, my content right now is going to be slow. It has been slow this year. It's just because I've just been trying to fix this car. I even got new tires for the fronts to make the fronts fit better. I actually got 215 35s, and they stretch as hell, which looks good, but I don't know. I wasted my money there because the car was already up in the air, and I was hoping it wasn't a big deal. But now I got new tires on my NKs just sitting here waiting to be installed. This is the first time I'm dealing with this issue where I would have to swap the motor out or try salvage it. I don't know, what will you guys do? Comment down below what you guys would do in this situation. A bottom end knock, yeah, but be mindful, a swap for a 1JZ or a Beams is out of the question, because I could easily spend around 10 grand, 10 to 20 grand, and I would rather put that on the chaser. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, ambitious, but it's not gonna happen. I don't think that's gonna happen. Does it have potential?
No.
No potential?
It's got a 1J in it. When it's got a JZ, then it has
Oh my
potential.
god, here we go. Yo, you guys should see my camera setup. I'm literally talking to a jack. I'm talking to a trolley jack. I bought a lemon. This is it, this is the result. It's funny because a couple of videos ago I had a title stating that this DIY job can save your car or something, and like 2,000 Ks later, like this happened. I mean it though, I mean it. The service can save your car, but also timing belt can save your car, and yeah, a lot of other stuff. I was told the reason this could happen is because the age of the car, 300 Ks, or as well what we saw from the sump was a lack of service, because there's a lot of carbon around the pan. And yeah, I guess I got the unlucky end of the stick is what they'll say. But yeah, I did not expect this to happen, so kind of sucks, to be real. Alright guys, that's it for me. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. That's the update of the car. If you guys were wondering why I posted that story, yeah, it's got a bottom end knock. So if you guys see me post a video of the motor out, you know my decision. But if you guys no longer see a video about this car, then you guys know it's gone. That's only if you watch it this far, alright? Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Why? Why?